Alright folks, I don't know what's going on, but something very strange is going on. I'm at windy.com, and here we can see this rotation here that's going on. I mean, if we tap on this bugger right here, 1 knot, that's pretty crazy. And then you come out here, obviously, and you got 20 knots. But look at this. Look at this. It's a thin line. And it's just whoosh, and it's hooking around. Look at this. Has anybody seen this before? I've never seen, and it comes all the way down here. Almost like a zipper. Looking like look at what it's doing. Let's see if I can get windy at 29. Look at this. Has anybody ever seen something like that before? I haven't. And the thing is, that's not the only place. Look at this, it's over here too. I noticed it. Look, here it is too, right here too. What is this? What is going on here? This is literally the strangest thing. Oh no, gosh dang it, get out of that. I've never seen anything like this before. With this like zipper looking thing. I mean, look at the winds here. What in the world? These winds are getting crazy, folks. I mean, look at this. You've got the wind going here, and then all of a sudden, just a little bit later, it's going this way. And then it's swirling around here. Look at a low here. You got a low here. Low here. Here's a low here. Here's a low here. This one's going this direction, and this one's going this direction. What is this right here? This is just kind of... Here's another zipper right here. I'm just going to start calling them zippers, because that's what it looks like, is a zipper. This is going this way, and then this one's going this way. And it's just... There's a little zipper line going through here. Look, there's a zipper right here, too. What in the fragnog, folks? If anybody has any idea what that is, how that... Look, here's one down here, too. Right here. Has anybody seen that before? If anybody has, please let me know. Look, here's another one here. Look, you got 2 of them here. You got another zipper right here. What is that? Has anybody else seen that before? I don't know. But before I even came over here, folks, I'm not gonna lie. I was over at, let's see what the wind speed is here. Hello? Let me see if it'll actually let me drop one here. 41 knots. Ooh, that's quick. But before I came over, I actually came over here to the Schumann resonance. And this right here is our electromagnetic field, so we're popping here. Well, guess what we're doing at the Schumann? Yeah. How you doing? Schumann's stinking sounding off today all day. Look at this. I've been having my ears have been ringing. My neck's been aching. It's like, yeah. And this, of course, we're in UTC time, so we're already going into tomorrow. But look at all of this. Oh, geez Louise. Sorry about that. I'm going to have to start looking around, seeing if I can find something else. But, yeah, if anybody knows what's going on over here, please let me know. I would love to know what the heck that's all about. Please let me know in the comments if you can honestly explain that to me. But let me see if I can find something else. One thing I did notice over here on Soho, looks like we've got a little guy here. He's got a stream coming out, and there he is. Now, whether this be one of our little buddies or an actual comet, but it goes from here to over here, and then all of a sudden he's back over here coming back at us. Watch this. 12 minutes later, there he is over there. And now he's over here. But you can see it's actually curving. It's not a perfectly straight line, it's curving. That's pretty strange. That's actually the first time I've actually been able to follow one all the way around its orbit around the sun. And here we go with some light benders again. So we go from here. Watch this. Bam. Uh-oh. What are they doing here? Looks like he took the edges. Oh. Took the rest. There's stuff they're not wanting us to see. They're bending that light. Interesting stuff, isn't it, folks? Here we are a little bit later. got a little friend right there. How you doing? I don't think it's these guys that's doing the light bending. I think it's the board cube that's doing it. There he is. How you doing there, buddy? I hope you're on our side. I hope you're kicking butt. That's all I gotta say. Okay, so here we are over at Seeds. I want everybody to pay attention to something. Notice how this is on and then all of a sudden just turns off? Like they just turned a switch, like flip. Oh, how does it do that? Turner. That is the weirdest thing I think I've ever seen. It's just like on and then off. And it's not missing a crap ton of time either, just on and then off. It's kind of interesting. Wouldn't you say? That's very, very peculiar, in my opinion. And then once again, supposedly, Mercury here, which is twinkling, and yeah, planets don't twinkle, by the way. And then over here, yeah, still got it covered up. Well, why? It's Mercury, supposedly. We know that, so why are you blocking it here? I don't know. And then it looks like there's something else that's over here that kind of shows up. Bloop, right there. It just kind of blinked. So, like, what was that? I don't know. It's getting interesting, folks. And here at the European Space Agency, it shows we're about to get bamboozled with about 35 centimeters cubed worth of plasma. Right here. I don't remember a flare. I didn't see nothing on a flare. Let's go back and excuse me. Well, let's go check out Solar Dynamic Observatory. Let's go check out the sun and see if there wasn't, because this is showing a hit from plasma, but there isn't any. Let's go check. All right, folks. Here we are at SDO, and I've got it from the 11th. Backed it up to today, and I'm not gonna lie, I don't see anything coming out. I see one teeny little poof. I mean, we can see all this coming off the back side of the sun. I mean, we saw that. Wow, that was fast, whatever the heck that was. Like that. I mean, we see all that coming off the backside, but nothing coming our direction. That's down and away from us. That's down and away from us, but nothing in our direction. There's one little up here, but like a little, like that. Did you see that? Like that was it. That's nothing to be worried about or concerned about from what I'm seeing. Let's go check out a couple other colors. Now, the only thing that might make sense to me, folks, is over here at 211. Look at all of this here, and this large corona hole. But watch this; it grows as it's rotating. This corona hole gets pretty big. It just keeps growing and growing and growing. It's like the more you watch it, the darker it gets. It's like, oh my goodness gracious. Oh, did you see a little friend zipping by? This is good. Okay, so we saw a little bit of activity off of this guy right here, but nothing major. Look how big this thing's getting. Woof. Okay, that could be an issue. I mean, that's going to definitely increase our, yeah, that'll definitely throw some plasma at us, actually, will be this guy. We'll definitely have increased density, pressure, yeah, velocity, for sure, and some plasma. I mean, it'll come from this guy right here until it gets, till it turns out of the way. Yeah, okay. Oh, did you actually see that? Something went whoosh. It whipped around as it was coming by us. That was something. Yeah, this is pretty eerie looking, especially when you got this large sunspot group, and this one here. If this thing keeps growing and it puts pressure and squeezes on either one of these, it could create more of a pop. Oh, yeah, I see. It's kind of, yeah. There's a little whoosh down here. Yeah, there's some funky activity going on there. Let's see if we can find something else. Okay, now the only thing that I saw was right here. You'll see a slight filament release. In fact, I think it's even part of this. It comes in and then it just kind of goes whoosh. You can see a little filament release here. I'm going to kind of go slow with it. Oh, hang on. So that way you can see. Oop, my cursor over so you can see it. See it coming off? Whoop, just that little bit right there. But that's all that I've seen. Like, that was it. We'll go backwards with it. See it coming off now? It's a little more prominent. But it's running faster. But that's all that I've seen is that little bloke right there coming at us. Or at least towards us. That's all I see. I've seen nothing else coming in our direction whatsoever. This is quite interesting. Now this sunspot here is actually producing quite a few teeny little pops and stuff, but I'm not seeing it like throwing anything significant for us to even have to be worried about. It's just spitting and sputtering. Some craziness, folks. Okay, over here at 94 angstroms, it does appear that we have one little pop off here. There might be a little bit of CME with it. Yeah, you'll see a lot of friends if you're paying attention. You'll see them going up and down, not just in the middle of the sun, but over here. But yeah, see, watch right here. Bloop. See, like that was just a little bit. That wasn't even. It's like that little pop right there. That one actually had more effect. I would think would have more effect than what we just saw there. But yeah, I don't know. It's got me a little confused. Not gonna lie. Oh, did you see that one? Ooh, let's find him. Okay, I'm noticing that at 10:44 this morning, right around here, this guy had a little popsy-wopsy here on us. See, that's kind of coming out there. Throws a little bit out. Yeah. That's a little bit. And then, oh, how you doing, little buddy? If we come back a little bit further, actually, there's another one. Ooh, hey. Where are you going? In a hurry. Apparently he's camera shy. We're going to end it off over here on Volcanoes and Earthquakes. Look at all this going on over here in Iran. What is going on? I think those could be death charges. 4.0s, 4.1s, 4.6, 6.0. Woo! Something going on over there. I mean, it could have been a grand opening at a Taco Bell. You know, I mean, I cause earthquakes after I eat a lot of Taco Bell. Just saying. Especially with jalapenos. Woo! Yeah, it's never good. They'd probably open a new Taco Bell. That's what that is. It's a big gathering of Taco Bell, and they're all regretting life right now. We're going to end here with La Palma. These are all the earthquakes that we've had here in the past 24 hours. All of them. Every single size. 4.0s to 2.7s, everything. Now this is 24 hours. Watch this, 48 hours. Oh yeah. Even more. Well, let's see what happens if we go for the past week. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. All of them in the past week. See, that doesn't even seem right. It almost seems like there's less, doesn't it? Only showing the big ones. Well, where's all the ones? You see how they're fiddling around with this? Past 2 weeks. Like, where are they? Well, it seems like there's just more on the past 24 hours, doesn't it? Look at that. Why are they fiddling around with it instead of just adding to it, letting you see it? I don't know. Anyway, stay safe, folks. If I see anything, I'll jump back on. Today is November 14th at 7:46 p.m. Central Standard Time. Love y'all. Stay safe.